Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the incredible world of wooden creativity. In this space, we explore the beauty and versatility of wood, showcasing amazing projects that inspire and ignite your imagination. From stunning furniture transformations to unique decor pieces, our content is designed to help you tap into your own creativity and make the most of this natural medium. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, you'll find something here that speaks to your artistic spirit. Join us as we embark on a journey through various inspiring wooden crafts and innovative designs that you'll absolutely love. Each project is crafted with care and attention to detail, highlighting the warm, rustic charm of wood in a modern context. We invite you to get inspired, share thoughts, and connect with a community that values creativity and craftsmanship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest wooden ventures. Wooden creativity is more than just crafting. It's an expression of artistry that connects us to nature. By utilizing this timeless material, artisans and DIY enthusiasts can create stunning pieces that bring warmth and charm to any space. From furniture to decor items, the possibilities are endless, making wooden crafts a favorite among those who appreciate craftsmanship and uniqueness. The appeal of rustic aesthetics. The rustic aesthetic has gained significant popularity as people seek to create homes with character and warmth. Wooden crafts embody this style, providing a natural beauty that modern materials often lack. Rustic wood pieces add a cozy, inviting feel to decor, promoting an atmosphere conducive to relaxation and connection. Sustainable crafting. In a world where sustainability is increasingly important, wooden crafts offer an eco-friendly alternative to mass-produced items. By using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, creators can craft beautiful pieces that minimize environmental impact. This approach not only benefits the planet but also adds a unique story to each item, making it even more special to buyers. Versatility of wood. One of the most amazing aspects of wooden creativity is its versatility. Wood can be shaped, painted, stained, and carved, allowing for a range of designs from sleek modern finishes to intricate traditional patterns. This versatility means that whether you're looking for minimalist decor or elaborate furniture, there's a wooden project that fits your vision. Handmade charm. Handmade wooden items offer a charm that factory-made pieces simply can't replicate. Each crafted piece tells a story, with unique grain patterns and subtle imperfections that enhance its beauty. Consumers increasingly seek out handmade goods, valuing the skill and passion that go into each creation, making wooden crafts an appealing choice for thoughtful gifting. Community and connection. The world of wooden creativity fosters community connections among artisans, crafters, and enthusiasts. Social media platforms allow creators to share their work, exchange ideas, and inspire one another. By building a community around wooden crafts, people can learn from each other, collaborate on projects, and promote their work to a broader audience. Workshops and tutorials. Providing workshops and tutorials can draw in aspiring crafters eager to learn about wooden creativity. Offering hands-on experiences not only teaches valuable skills, but also helps build a loyal customer base. By showcasing the crafting process, you foster a deeper appreciation for the artistry involved in creating wooden items. Targeting niche markets. Within the realm of wooden creativity lies a rich field for targeting niche markets. From custom furniture for small apartments to unique gifts for weddings and special occasions, identifying specific customer needs can amplify your marketing efforts. Tailored products can help attract the right audience who are looking for unique, meaningful items. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for marketing your wooden creations. Visually striking images of your projects can capture attention and generate interest. Engaging storytelling about the inspiration behind each piece can further entice potential customers. Regular interaction with your audience can build a loyal community and promote word-of-mouth marketing. In conclusion, the future of wooden creativity. As the demand for unique, sustainable, and handcrafted items grows, the future of wooden creativity looks promising. By embracing innovative techniques, sharing knowledge, and building a supportive community, artisans can thrive in this industry. With a commitment to quality and creativity, wooden crafts will continue to be cherished by those who value craftsmanship and environmental consciousness in their homes. Thank you for joining us in exploring the wonderful world of wooden creativity. We hope you've discovered inspiring ideas that spark your imagination and encourage you to embrace the beauty of handcrafted wood designs. If you enjoyed our content, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing projects and inspiration. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you the best in wooden artistry.